Wow. What's up, everyone? Well, this is the third day of extreme whiteout conditions here. Never had this low of visibility. The snow is sticking around like crazy. It's awesome, but I really hope I can get some solar charge today. Only way that's going to happen is if I can find these solar panels under all this snow. I am just learning so much the hard way. I really should have cleared these panels immediately yesterday. And now I'm worried, like, if it keeps going like this all week, which is what the forecast says, am I gonna have enough power to edit videos? And I mean, I don't really need power to stay warm and safe, so that's good, but I do need firewood, and I'm running out of that too. So I think I need to go try to process some today, as crazy as that sounds. With my broken pinky, with snow all over everything. Other two panels are completely buried because they fell over. So much snow here. I'll be more prepared next winter with way more firewood. I kind of decided I wanted to live here in the winter, like on a whim. Like, I was just gonna winter camp in the truck, and then I was like, nah, let's set up a home base up here and have a huge responsibility. Look, you can't barely even see my tracks from when I drove in a few days ago. Crazy. Just, you can't see anything. I honestly am so excited to see the sun again. He really doesn't want to hang out with me much right now, which is, you know, whatever. Oh yeah, also, did I show you guys I laid out my beers all nicely, right? Look at that. So this is our other stack of firewood that we'll grab here. Oh wow, look at this guy. Hey guy, what's up, dude? I know it's super cold, but I need to use this wood, so here, let's bring you let's put you up in here. This should be nice, right? There you go, dude. All right, you're cool. You should be good there. I'm just gonna grab this wood. You can hang out there as long as you want. You can live there if you want, dude. Yeah. All the snow's melting off the trees. You can hear it. You can see it. This is one of the parts where I was like sliding a little bit on the way in. This is so much fun. So yeah, this is my road on the way in, and I mean, you can see, like, so that's the ground there, and I mean, that's a foot. That's up to, you know, right here. That's a foot, you guys. We got a foot of snow here. Like, look at the animal tracks. They're everywhere. Looks like probably rabbit. Just had a big bunch fall here. It's just beautiful, you guys. I would love to have a side-by-side or something to go mob the property. I'll drive my Jeep around a bit, I think. Look, my parents' place is right up there. How cool does that look right now? It's like, what? Oh yeah, there's a big stump right here too. So yeah, don't forget about that, Phil. I could always grab that with the Jeep and split that. All right. Remembering my things I've left around. I figure I'll scoop this mud off of here while it's like, oh my gosh, it's still frozen. No way. I mean, some of it's like falling off and dry. There we go. I'll get what I can off. Cause yeah, it's, yeah, that was like a frozen block. So might as well chip away at it, literally. Oh, look at this big block. I'm gonna get it. No way. Look at that. Now that's a chunk. Oh, I can barely hold it up. Oh, so heavy. I want to throw it at something. I don't know. I'll just throw it over here. Oh, my hand's all muddy. Well, that's fun. Wash it with some snow. Now it's cold. That's okay. I knew all that would happen. I knew it. I anticipated. I didn't care. Oh, my gas cap. What the heck's wrong with that? I think I just broke the lid. Oh no. Oh no. I just broke it. Oh man. That's messed up, dude. I just broke my gas cap. Whatever. I mean, it's still sealed. It's still in there. So that's good. And I got 34 or 35 gallons in there thanks to the Long Range America. So we won't have to fuel up for a while. But I'll have to deal with that. Not next time I go into town, but at least the second time I go into town. Whatever. Maybe I'll go try to find the piece over here and shoe-goo it all back together. Let's see how this works. Oh yeah, it's right here. Look at this. Wow. Well, that wasn't a good idea. I should have just waited for it all to melt. Yeah, let's just try to like... Oh, ow. Jeez, don't break it. Huh. I've already shoe-gooed the key in another video. In the Grand Tetons, you saw that. So, let's see if, I mean, oh, geez Louise. This might not be a very fun situation. Like, it might be really hard to get that out. That was my first thought, but then I was optimistic, you know. Now I'm going back to worrying about getting it out. But like I said, we got plenty of fuel. Not like last time. So, wow. Lesson learned from last time. I came here with as much fuel as I possibly could. Paid off. Huh. Learning stuff. It's great. Just learned something here too. Keep learning stuff. Never stops being fun. Just keep learning stuff. That reminds me of Rodney Norman. You guys seen him on Instagram or TikTok? Yeah, you know, if you want to do something, just go do it. You don't have to have anybody's approval, or you just go figure out something you want to do and you just do it. That's like an imitation, a crappy imitation of one of my favorite little things of his. So, anyways. Always learning stuff. Our walkway is looking sweet. Check it out. Like, look at this. How neat is that, you guys? A little triangle. Then we got this going in the tent, of course. We got a little walkway kind of going over here, and then it just stops. But it looks cool. But mainly these little walls and triangles I can make. This took all of like 20 minutes, maybe. Look at that. I love this intersection here. So neat, and then going right in the tent. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys are enjoying this video series of winter camping in my Kodiak canvas tent on my 80-acre off-grid property. The next few videos, I'm gonna jump the tent with my RC car, tell you what I've learned in the wood stove, and stay out here for 3 weeks straight. So don't miss those before I pack the tent down for summer and head off again full-time truck camping. So we'll see you on the next one. The only question is, are you down to mob?